Let's have a look at the difference between item-based picking and order-based picking when it comes to directional pickwaves. Let's go ahead and generate a pickwave, and my system is configured to display a pickwave as a directional one. So let's go ahead and actually create a pickwave grouping as item-based. Now I'm going to go into mobile now, and if we have a look at how this pickwave is presented to me, it takes us through the warehouse in a pick and route based on bin racks. So this is the bin rack, those two items that need to be picked from that bin rack. And I've got multiple items to pick from that specific bin rack. If I go to the next step, that will effectively be the next bin rack on my route, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, let's go back to Linnworks and remove those orders from that pickwave. And I'm going to go ahead and add them back in again. But now, instead of actually selecting a grouping as items, I'm going to choose orders. Okay, let's have a look at our pickwave now. Now, instead of displaying the pickwave step as a bin rack where we need to go, it displays an order ID. It displays an order ID that requires this specific item to be picked from this bin rack. It still sorts the pickwave in the order that we're going to be walking around. And if we go to the next step, that's closest bin rack, but just for a different order, but the same sort of item. So effectively, it splits up the pickwave by which orders those items belong to. It'll place all the orders with single items first, and then towards the end, we will actually be seeing orders with multiple items. Orders with multiple items will be put at the end, and they will be sorted in a different way. Essentially, we will try to keep to the routing sequence and minimize the amount of travel that the picker would need to do.